In the quaint town of Willow Creek, where the rolling hills meet the endless sky, there lived two souls whose love story was whispered among the rustling leaves and shimmering streams. Elena, with her wild curls and laughter that could light up the darkest night, was the heart of the town's bakery, where the scent of freshly baked bread and cinnamon rolls lingered in the air. And then there was Liam, a quiet soul with a gentle smile, who spent his days tending to the fields of golden wheat that stretched as far as the eye could see. Their paths crossed one crisp spring morning when Elena stumbled upon Liam's injured horse while wandering through the woods. Without hesitation, she tended to the animal, her hands as soft as petals, her voice a soothing melody that calmed its fears. Liam watched in awe as Elena worked her magic, his heart stirring in a way he had never known. As days turned into weeks, Elena and Liam found themselves drawn to each other, their connection deepening with each passing moment. They spent lazy afternoons picnicking by the river, their laughter mingling with the gentle murmur of the water. And as the sun dipped below the horizon, they danced under the starlit sky, their hearts beating as one to the rhythm of love. But just as their love began to blossom, a shadow from the past threatened to tear them apart. Secrets long buried resurfaced, casting doubt and uncertainty over their newfound happiness. Faced with adversity, Elena and Liam stood together, their love a beacon of hope in the darkness. With courage and determination, they faced their demons head-on, forging a bond that was unbreakable, and in the end it was their love that prevailed, like a flower pushing through the cracks in the pavement, resilient and untamed. As the seasons changed and the years passed, Elena and Liam's love only grew stronger, like the roots of an ancient tree that entwined deep into the earth. And in the heart of Willow Creek, their love story became legend, a testament to the power of love to conquer all, written in the stars for eternity to behold.